far into it, just a little bit of a boat orientation for you guys. So if you look up, you're going to see the top of the boat. And if you look down, you guessed it, that's the bottom of the boat. If at any time those two things switch, I highly recommend swimming. Who here knows how to swim? Raise your hand. Keep them up, everybody look around. Those are now your flotation places. Thank you for volunteering. Over to the left, you'll see the beautiful Inspiration Falls. Now I have been told that if you stare at this long enough, it really will inspire you to go. Deeper into the jungle, of course. Now, as we round this bend, we're making our way onto the Congo River, so you know we are just going to have to see how far it can go. Yeah, the jokes, they don't get better, you guys. I am warning you now. Now, has anybody here never seen the Jungle Book before? Anybody? It's okay if you haven't, don't worry, it's right there. Live action and in 3D. You're welcome.
I didn't.
Oh, that's embarrassing. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. I was trying to throw you a surprise party over here. It looks like nobody showed up.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just like all of my childhood birthday parties. Something must have scared them away, right? Let's see it. Right over there. Hey, friends, who here can tell me what kind of snake that is? I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter P. Great guess, you guys. It's plastic. Oh, what the jungle. Oh, my gosh. We were supposed to be picking up some extra supplies from over here. Yeah, you said something like quite a bit of monkey business. They really went bananas, am I right? It is okay, though. We're trying to get the Jeep started all morning. It looks like they finally got it to turn over. Thanks, guys. We're now on the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you guys don't believe me, then you are in disbelief. But thanks for trying. Over the left, you guys are going to see an African bull elephant. Now, did you guys know that elephants, they have great memories? Yeah, I sure wish I had a memory like that. Oh, and over to the right, you guys are going to see an African bull elephant. Now, did you guys know that elephants, they have great memories? Yeah, I sure wish I had a memory like that. This over here is a sandstone formation. Now, a lot of people do tend to take that for granted, but it really is one of our bolder attractions. And we're now passing by the Great African Goat, which is home to all of these exotic animals. Yeah, you got some giraffes, some impala, some of those animals that killed Mufasa. Oh, and look at that. Those lions, they're watching over that sleeping zebra. Yeah, that's how zebras sleep, right on their sides with their necks bent at a weird angle, surrounded by lions. Yeah, no, he's probably just dead. Tired, dead, tired. We're gonna let him rest. In pieces. Oh, well, that certainly does explain what happened to our lost safari. Yeah, so the man on the jungle river, you might be like safety leader of our jungle cruise band. Now, friends, he was supposed to be out looking for a drum, but it looks like he found a horn instead. He'll get the point eventually, though, I'm sure of it. And that'll bring us over to the educational portion of the cruise, so I'll take just a few moments here to point out some of my favorite jungle plants. That one. That one. Ew, no, not that one. He knows what he did. Oh, that green one over there? Yeah, that's my absolute favorite. Straight ahead, you'll see Schweitzer Falls, named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert. Yeah, do not worry if you guys can't remember that. We can always go over it later. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, Skipper Taylor, how did you land your job here at the Jungle Navigation Company? But I just think it's plain to see. I took a crash course, and I've been weighing it ever since. Career did not take off the way that I planned, though, let me tell you guys. Although my parents are super proud of my brother. Uh-oh, it does look like we're entering a hippo pool. Let's just hope that none of them are too hungry. Nobody lose their marbles, okay? Yeah, they capsized 6 boats last week. Oh, but only 5 of those were mine, so those are really good odds. Right? Oh, and there's what happened to Skipper Felix's boat. Yep, sure does look like all these ships found a new place to crash. Now I know a lot of you guys are going to wonder why the one in the back there is eating broccoli. Hey, fun fact, humans actually eat more bananas than monkeys. Yeah, it's crazy, but it's gotta be true. Can't even remember the last time I ate a monkey. Oh, and take a look at all of those butterflies. You know, their life cycle, it is just so fascinating. Caterpillars, cocoons, the butterflies, all the way to snack. It's just beautiful. And that, friends, careful here that oh no, he's coming back up. Everybody talk. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Yeah. Hey, guess what, you guys? I was joking. You know, that's just a little bit of what we like to call a dry humor out here in the jungle. Now, friends, in just a few moments here, we will be approaching the most dangerous part of our journey. That is right. It's the return